Pithori Amavasya is festival celebrated to give longevity to the children. Bail Poda is Thanksgiving festival celebrated by farmers. Shravan Amavasya, the new moon day, is celebrated as Pithori Amavasya, which usually in August or September. It is also called as Bail Poda. Shravan Amavasya is dedicated to goddess Durga. Poda is a Thanksgiving festival celebrated by farmers in India to acknowledge the importance of bulls and oxen, who are a crucial part of agriculture and farming activities. During Bail Poda, farmers don't work their bulls in the farmland, and the day is a school holiday in the rural parts of India. Oxen and bulls play an important part in the life of farmers. To thank these animals and to celebrate their hard work, the farmers across Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka celebrate the festival of Bail Poda. The festival of Bail Poda is usually marked after the monsoon sowing and field work, which falls between late August and early September. To celebrate the day, people thank and acknowledge the importance of bulls and oxen in their agriculture and farming activities. They decorate these animals with beautiful designs and ornaments. The pampering starts a day or two in advance. The bulls are given a proper bath. Their horns are colored, their robes are changed, and they are adorned with new bells. On this day, farmers do not work and give rest to their bulls and oxen. Women carve out beautiful rangolis in front of their houses, tie toran with decorative thread on top of doors, prepare puja thalis and worship the farm animals. Members of the farmer family also take blessings of bulls and oxen by touching their feet. These animals are then served different kind of grains before performing their aarti. On this day, sweet offerings are made for the oxen to eat like Puran Poli. The importance of Pithori Amavasya Vrat was narrated by goddess Parvati. She told this to wife of Lord Indra. This legend explains that by performing this vrat, one can get healthy and brave sons. Pithori Amavasya is observed by married women. Pit means floor from which life and name comes into existence. On this day, women who have children worship 64 goddesses and pray for long life of their children. The idols of 64 goddesses are made of peat, means the floor. In some regions, goddess Durga is worshipped as Yogini. Each peat represents one Yogini, so there are 64 Yoginis. Another important feature is worship of Saptamantrikas. Saptamantrikas are the 7 divine mothers who are seen associated with Shiv and Shakti. Names of the 7 Devis are Brahmani, Vaishnavi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Varahi, Indrani, and Chamundi. There are several legends associated with each of them, which are found in Kurma Puran, Varaha Puran, and the Mahabharata. When Yogeshwari, a divine Shakti created by Lord Shiv, is mentioned, then the count is 8. On the day of Pithori Amavasya, 64 yoginis and saptamantrikas are worshipped. Married women form a gathering and take part in celebrations. They prepare special recipes and offer to the goddess. They exchange gifts with each other. They bless their children for their future. This puja is performed on Pithori Amavasya for procreation. That is why it is called Mother's Day also. It is celebrated to give longevity to the children, and on this day 8 kalash are installed after bathing in the evening. Brahmi, Maheshwari and other powers are worshipped by placing full vessels on it. Floor idols are made by appealing to 64 yoginis on rice. Also offerings made of flour are shown. Wishing all a very happy Bail Poda and Pithori Amavasya. Happy Mother's Day.